Eto, palagi itong lumalabas sa exam. Yun, tumpak yay sa Sir Ronald, LPT 2026, tumpak yay. Corazon, number 2. Corazon is a chess. A chess with length, width, and height of 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 6 centimeters respectively. Its volume is blank. A, 240 cubic centimeters. B, 72 cubic centimeters. C, 24 cubic centimeters. Or D, 480 cubic centimeters. Alam niyo itong question na to, minsan lang ito, hindi pa ito uma-absent, no? Sa licensure examination since my season in March 2023. Hindi pa siya uma-absent. Hindi pa po uma-absent ito. May mean also letter D. Kung minsan, nagpapalit siya ng pangalan. Kung minsan, na last season, itong March 2026, ang pangalan niya ay si Bernadette. Tapos, si Bernadette daw ay may aquarium. Ayan. Kung minsan, ito naman ay si Mark, no? Si Mark na may box daw. Ayan. Pareha pa rin ang kanyang mga dimensions. 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. So, dito, if we are asked to compute for the volume, ang formula po ng volume ay length times width times height. I-multiply muna ang height, ang length, at saka ang width. So, binigay naman sa atin dito ang length times width times height. So, 10 times 8, that's 80, times 6. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 0, that's 480. So, volume is equal to 10 times 8 times 6. This is 80 times 6. This is 480. Kaya ang tumpak na sagot ay letter D para sa ating item number 2.